2021 KTM 300 starter motor change. Let's have a look. So here we go. Starter motor. Cannot get it out. Hits the frame, hits the case. So side cover off. You look in here, the starter motor, there's a bush, this bush here, which goes in there. You got to remove that bush, which allows the starter motor to drop, but you still can't get it out. So engine's got to come out. So that's it. We'll start pulling the motor out. Okay, we've got the engine basically to a point where it's nearly, well, it's going to come out. Swing arm pin, engine mounts, all the mounts, hoses, everything basically. But I've got it cocked up to one side there, so basically out it comes. Wow, great design. Anyway, we'll bang this new one in there and get it fired up. Okay, we're all back together. Starter motor's all tucked in down there. Brand newy. So there you have it. Starter motor replacement. KTM 300, KTM 250, 2 strokes, all the same. Husky, gas, same engine, same design. Shit design. Good one.